Okay, so I'm going to present something that I found tonight, and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning here. So yeah, I haven't shown my face on camera because I'm in my pajamas. Don't really want to be on camera in my pajamas, but my kids are asleep. Obviously, it's 2 o'clock in the morning; they should be asleep. But anyway, so yeah, I found something relating to this April 8th, 2024 eclipse. And I kind of like have learned a lot from Square Peg Divergent. She's been sort of my mentor in teaching me a lot of stuff about decoding. And this isn't something I'm going to be doing on a regular basis because it's just too much. It just takes so much time. But yeah, it's pretty fascinating, you know. So I'm going to try and do this quickly because I'm tired and I just want to get it done and put it out there. So April 8th, 2024 eclipse, okay? Now, there's been a lot of talk about this whole big thing coming up and a lot of things coming on the horizon. So, you know, I've been mucking around with numbers and gematria. And so, look, it might sound crazy in the beginning, but if you hear me out to the end, you'll see what I'm talking about. So April, okay, in gematria equals 56, okay? This is simple gematria. So 56, all right? We're talking about April 8th. If we add 8 days onto the 56, right, we get 64, which Square Peg has mentioned. It's what she's finding, 64. She's finding that a lot, and it relates to the Titan, Okay, so then I had a look at what I typed 2024 into the search bar, and 2024 equals 274. Now, if you take 274 and you divide it by 2, you get 137, which is the fine structure constant. Okay. Now, then I just started typing things into this search bar. So total eclipse is 137. Again, the fine structure constant. In gematria, 137 is total eclipse. This is a bit of a long shot here, but so solar eclipse is 134. April being the month, the fourth month, if you add 4 onto 138, you get 138. Okay. Sorry, if you add, I'm tired. If you add 4 onto 134, you get 138. But look, okay, that might be a stretch. All right. But anyway, so I'm going to look now at August 21st, 2017, the eclipse there, the total solar eclipse. So yeah, 2017, I type that into the search bar, and that equals 216 in gematria. Take 216 divided by 2, you get 108. August equals 89 in gematria. Now, if we add 89, which is August in gematria, all right, and we add 19, right? Square Peg has been talking about the 18th of August, all right? Now, this is, of course, 2017 I'm talking about, but if we add 89 and we add 19 to 89, we get another 108, okay? Because 89 plus 19 is 108. But again, that might be another stretch. But anyway, okay, next thing. 1985, okay? This is where it kind of gets crazy. All right, so 1985, September 19, in 1985, a powerful earthquake strikes Mexico City. Okay, 10,000 people were killed, 30,000 injured, and thousands were made homeless. Okay, so this was in the morning, around 7 o'clock in the morning, and the residents were woken by an 8.1 magnitude earthquake, one of the strongest ever to hit the area. Okay, so I was looking at days in between dates, and I was just blown away when this number came up. So from Thursday, the 19th of September in 1985, all right, I was looking for another event that was similar to this, and what I found was the December 26 earthquake of 2004, which was the Sumatra, Indonesia earthquake. So in between the dates from September 19, 1985, all right, so it's not including Sunday the 26th of December. I hope I'm not confusing the hell out of everyone, but this is just crazy, right? So Thursday 19th of September 1985 up to, but not including Sunday the 26th of December 2004, which was the Sumatran tsunami and earthquake. The result of those days in between is 7,038 days. If you take 7,038 and divide it by 138, you get 51. So it's 51 times 138. Okay, so on December 26, 2004, at about, I think it was early in the morning, around 8 o'clock in the morning, a major earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3 struck with an epicenter off the west coast of northern Sumatra, Indonesia. The undersea, it was in the ocean. Okay, so that's why we had this massive tidal wave. But anyway, everyone should remember that. It was a pretty big event. It was like, 227,000 deaths, almost 228,000 deaths. So this is the part that spins me out. So again, like I said, from Thursday 19th of September 1985, okay, the Mexico City earthquake, you have 7,038 days, which is 138 times 51. Okay, and then, so in between that time, before this earthquake happened in Sumatra, so from the 26th of December 2004, but not including Wednesday 3rd of April 2024, it's exactly 7,038 days, okay, which is, again, 138 times 51, and the result is Wednesday, 3rd of April, 2024. And being that next year is a leap year, April 3rd is the 94th day of the year. And 94 times 2 is 188. And there's all this talk about this 188 and this New Madrid fault line. And I really don't know a lot about that, but I just found that really fascinating. And one of the key areas for this supposed possible 188 New Madrid fault line, there's a few areas in that, where this X goes across, Washington, D.C. is in that area. And if you type Washington, D.C. into the search bar, you get 137. That's with gematria. So yeah, that's basically the whole thing, and it's an absolute spin out. I don't know if I've explained it that well, but I'm so tired. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I kind of was trying to, put this all together, and yeah, so I've put it together, and I'm just baffled about this 7,038 days, and the fact that it lands on the 94th day of next year. I know it's not 8th of April, 3rd of April, but, we've got that eclipse on the 8th of April, so, all these crazy things going on. But yeah, it would be interesting to see. You know, I'm not making any predictions. I'm nowhere near that. But I'm just saying, it's just, you know, it's just crazy, you know. Well, these numbers, you can't make this stuff up, you know. This is just crazy. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there because I'm tired. I need to get to bed, and I'm supposed to homeschool my kids in the morning. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Anyway, thank you for listening, and have a good night, good morning, and what is it, morning, day, evening, and night, wherever you are. Yeah, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.